I was just looking for a small project bike, but $330 later, I walk away with 3 mini bikes, 3 engines, and a garage full of possibilities. This all came from one Facebook Marketplace trip. Let me show you what I found. First things first, the guy I picked this stuff up from listed the tiny mini bike for $80. I messaged him and said he would toss in the 89cc engine for an extra $40. Figured, might as well. When I got there, I was definitely a little shocked at how small the mini bike was, and it was small, but not that small. I got a little worried about the price for the size, but I figured I'd still make it work, resell the engine or something. Then he offered me another frame for $30. I had to check this thing out. He brought that blue bike out and I could not say no. While I'm loading it up, he pulls out a Duromax 208cc engine. It says $30 more and it's mine. Checked for compression and it nearly started. $30? I had to tell him that's a deal right there. Right as I'm leaving, he hands me the old 69cc engine that came off the tiny mini. It's also not running, but hey, free is free, I'll fix her up. Later that day, I spot a Razor MX500 listed for $150. These bikes go easily for $350 to $500, even in its rough shape. Has front and rear suspension? Yeah, I had to grab that too. Each one of these have a future. That tiny mini, I'm thinking the 89cc with the stage 1 kit. Keep it simple, but snappy. Maybe even my neighbor's kiddos can ride it around if it's tame enough. This blue rocket frame might be a little race style build. Maybe shove the 208cc in there. Blue on blue would be a great fit for sure. The Razor? I'm thinking doing a Predator 212 conversion on it so other people can see how to do it too. We all know how budget the electric budget builds really are. I plan on fixing up all these engines as well. I'll do a mini series showing me getting each engine. Holy frick! I'll do a mini series showing me getting each engine running. Stay tuned for those. If you've got ideas, drop them in the comments. The Predator 212 Stage 2 build is still coming. I'm waiting on Amazon to send me a new flywheel. I had to return my other one because I made a huge oopsie. Stay tuned for that big mistake. Until then, this haul just opened up a ton of new content. Subscribe if you're into flips, engine swaps, and budget builds. And let me know which one of these you are most excited to see. Catch y'all in the next one. Peace.